Feels pretty big too. Come on, brother. Not bad. Finally got one. There he is. Decent sized one right there. I absolutely blew Hayden out of the water. I think he caught 4. That's basically like catching 0 where I come from. How about that? Oh. Hey. How's it going, brothers? It was about an 1.5-hour drive. Made it to the little pond area here. Gonna go unload the kayaks over there, and I'm gonna catch a lot more fish than Hayden today. That's the plan. Not a chance. We are going to catch a lot of bass today. So we've done a few videos where we went fishing, but we have yet to catch a fish on camera. We're about to show you guys. We're gonna change that today. So yeah, we're gonna unload the kayaks and we'll see you guys in the river. All right, so in this pond, the water from the Columbia River comes in right about here, and that's the spot where all the bass is, hopefully. If you guys look over there, it actually looks like the water's not high enough to get through. I mean, that's where all the bass come from, so looks like we might have a tough time today. Might embarrass ourselves again. Well, time to try a new pond, dude. Every single May, no matter what, since I was a kid, every single May, I have come to this pond and absolutely slayed the bass. We're gonna go try one more. If that doesn't work, I'm scrapping this vid. All right, made it to the other spot, maybe like 30 minutes away. I'm gonna try to troll along this line right here, see if I can catch a couple largemouth bass. Although there are only smallmouth bass here. Let's do it. And seaweed right off the bat. Finally got one. Of course I didn't get it on camera, but not too bad, smallmouth. That might be fish on. That is. I didn't even notice. That's nuts. I had absolutely no idea I had a fish on right there. Oh, that's one for me, one for Hayden. We're back in, brother. There you go. Got me a little smallmouther. It only took 4 hours, 400 casts, but I'll take it. Yo, that's fish on. I don't know what it is. It looks really small. It doesn't look like a bass. Oh, yeah, that's a bass. Oh, dang, it's actually a bigger bass than expected. Oh, it came off. That's really sad. I'm gonna have to call it quits specifically because I'm getting pretty burnt. I'm doing 5 more casts and getting out. All right, brothers. I think that's the last straw right there. You know, I may or may not keep this footage because I do plan to come back here within the next couple of days. But I would call this day a fail.
At least we didn't get skunked, but this was bad.
Yeah, I caught 2, you caught 1. That's awesome.
You caught 1.
I caught 2.
That wasn't a catch. We all know that wasn't a catch.
I grabbed it up like this. It slipped out of my hand.
Yeah.
You saw it. We'll run back the video. Oh, it came off. I had it right here and I lifted it. And then I said to the camera, hey guys, I caught another fish. This is fish 2. And then it slipped out.
Not a chance. I believe you got lucky to even tie me today.
What the? I'm a better fisherman than you.
I disagree.
Well, I'll keep you busy.
I don't know about that.
I'll keep you busy, brother. I'll tell you that. I may not outfish you. I'll keep you busy, brother. Oh! Did that, mother. It's about 7 a.m. the next morning. Decided to just go home yesterday. It was a complete embarrassment. And today we're going to a different pond. It's about 30 minutes west of the one that we went to yesterday. And they stock this pond every year with trout right around this time of the year. So after that embarrassment yesterday, let's see if we can redeem ourselves today. It's actually pretty cold out. Columbia Gorge, windy every day.
Oh, yeah. Oh, watch out. Watch out.
Oh, it's around my neck.
Oh, yeah, I got you.
Why didn't you hook that up?
That's 1 fish for me. A little windy.
All right, so my plan is to go right out into the middle of the pond, just start casting. If that doesn't work, I'm gonna try a little bit of trolling, which to troll, I have to paddle. I don't have a motor, as you guys can tell. Let me get a couple casts in, see what happens. I got just a rooster tail on here. It's super windy outside. Oh, fish on. Let's go. Yeah, it is a bass. Oh yeah, look how I hooked him.
There it is.
He made it off.
Yeah, dude, freaking bass love that lure.
I know, pretty
That
nuts.
trout looking one.
What the heck, that's fish on. I did not think I had a fish on right there. Oh. Well, I don't know if you guys can see it, but we're gonna just let him out. There you go, brother. Another little bass, huh? Looks like there's no trout in this lake. I genuinely thought that was some seaweed on there. That's why I was reeling fast.
There's one. It's a trout, too. Let's see if I can land it, though. There's one.
Fish on. It's small. There we go. Let's go.
There's one. He's still on there. Oh, there he goes. Right when you get them to where they're at the boat, they just flip out.
There we go. Hope it stays on. Come on, it's a little tiny guy. Yes. Come on, brother. Not bad. Don't lose it. Don't lose it. What is he doing? He has yet to get the fish in the kayak. It has been, oh, thank goodness.
Decent sized one right there.
It looked like it was about
I don't know how it didn't fall off, dude.
That's a nice size.
Yeah, not bad. There we go. Perfect. I do not know how he did not fall off.
Oh, dude, that was
It was forever. I couldn't get him. Every time I got him close, he would just dart.
probably not. Oh, that's a hit. Ah. Yeah, probably not as much as us, but that's fish on. It's right there. In the kayak. You're good, you're good. There you go. Using that gold spoon.
You might as well call me Spoon Man out here.
Oh, come together. Wait, hold on. Is that double fish on?
Oh, I got your line, I think. I have your line and you have a fish.
Get off the line.
I thought I had one.
That was a nice sized fish too.
I'm just gonna have to just go down your line the whole time. Oh, I'm off. I think you just stole my fish.
No, that's not a nice size. It's a tiny fish. Here we go. That's 7. 7'2", 7'2". My height.
There we go. Holy crap. This spoon sucks at hooking.
You got a gold rooster tail by chance?
No, I don't have a single rooster tail. I have a rooster tail, but it's all bent and it doesn't.
Take my rooster tail.
No, I ain't doing that.
No, my other one.
No.
The fishing that we need to do. There you go.
Please stay on. Oh, that's a little sucker too. Come on now, stay on there, buddy. Stay on there, little guy. See if I can land this sucker. Yeah. Oh yeah.
That's 3 for Hayden.
What a monster of a fish. Just a monster. A nice Chinook salmon here. Caught this from the Columbia River. I'd say about 40 pounds Chinook right here. Maybe 20 feet.
There we go. That was a nice hit. Had to have hooked him well with that little tiny one again. There we go. Not bad, not bad. You guys can't see it, but there's an osprey right above me. I don't know if he's coming at me or... Oh. Oh! He took that fish. No way, he's flying off with a fish. Heck yeah. We're all getting fish today, brother. Oh, yeah, what I say. Yes. That osprey got his, I got mine. That's 9.
Hey, stay down. There we go. Yeah, there.
Me holding, oh, that's fish on. Oh, that's a little heavy.
Is that a big one?
No, it's not big.
It's not jumping up.
And that's 10. There you go. Right back in. Is that fish on? Nope, that's a snag. Well, my chair completely broke, so I'm handicapped out here. I just realized the last couple videos I took with my camera were vertical. So, is that fish on at least? Maybe that'll boost my spirits a little. Oh, it is. Oh man, that one's fighting pretty well too. Looks like it went into the seaweed though. Oh, and it came off in it too. Got myself another bass. I'll take it. I guess it makes sense because I'm here in the shallower seaweedy area. Nice. All right, last cast for me. Broken kayak. Pretty gassed. Hot outside. Caught a bunch of fish. I'm happy with it. Well, I'm fine with it. So what was up with my seat was it connects right here and then it's supposed to connect right here, but this string here has this attached to it, completely broke off. And that one's about to break off. So I'm sitting with no back to my seat. You guys can see. Pretty uncomfortable. right, brothers, just got done fishing for like 5 to 6 hours. Time to have some lunch. On the menu today, we got sandwiches. And as I was pulling out the sandwich stuff, we forgot the lunch meat. So we're gonna make some egg sandwiches. Kind of sucks that we have to cook. I wasn't planning on cooking lunch, but we're gonna make it happen. So we decided to eat in the truck because it's 900 degrees outside and it's a little bit cooler in here. So have a Sam.
See that sucker.
How is it?
That's delish. Oh, there's a dang sauna in here.
Let's get the AC going.
Hotter than a $2 pistol in here.
After spending a whole morning in the sun, out on the kayaks fishing, nothing better than a nice sandwich after.
Oh yeah.
It was a good day of fishing though. I absolutely blew Hayden out of the water. I caught like 11, I think he caught 4. That's basically like catching 0 where I come from. Tonight we're planning on cooking that trout. We only saved 3 so we don't have that much meat, but it'll be something.
A little bit of fish and chips.
So it's about 2 o'clock now. We don't have our campsite yet, but we're gonna drive around and try to find one. It's still really hot out, so we're probably just gonna chill out for the next couple of hours. And then we'll see you guys when we're setting up the tent and cooking and all that stuff. So see you in a couple hours. Well, we found a spot. It's $40 and it's not out in the woods, so I feel like we have to be quiet.
It's kind of weird.
Very odd.
Yeah, it's not like what we usually do, so it's kind of...
I don't think I'm a big fan of camping at a park, but we're gonna set up the tent and start up dinner, I guess. See you guys.
How about that?
All right. All right, well, the mosquitoes are out. Cleaned it up. We also brought some tartar sauce.
Yeah, you can have one more, the rest. I'm good. Dang, that's pretty good.
Tastes better than a whitefish.
Yeah.
Not a bad meal.
There you go.
It was pretty cheap too because we caught the fish. It's a little past 9 right now.
It's about time for dessert.
Yeah, I'm ready for some dessert. Let's pile on all that grease with just some nice cookies. Alright, we're doing cast iron cookies today. First time trying it out. every time we make
Nice
cookies.
dessert.
All right, guys. I'm gonna try one of these.
What are you doing?
Pretty spongy.
What are you doing?
Not too bad. Better than the last time we tried to make cookies.
If you don't eat the burnt parts, it's beautiful. We should have brought more milk.
Oh yeah. Why didn't we bring more milk?
Man, this is good.
Yeah.
I'm fine with it.
We succeeded.
It was not a fail. Alright, well, I hope we can make it through the night without any bugs in here. We're just gonna set up our stuff and lay down and go to sleep. I'm pretty tired.
Yeah, it's almost midnight.
I'm running off of like 3 hours of sleep right now, so I'm feeling kind of weird. Feeling pretty tired.
Yeah.
Let's get to bed. This truck tent's actually really roomy in here. It has a high ceiling, and I have plenty of room. I'm sure Hayden has plenty of room.
Yep.
It's really starting to get hotter, and kind of sucks.
Yeah, the mosquitoes are coming out.
Got gnats in the tent.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm tired. I'm gonna go to sleep, and yeah, we'll see you guys in the morning.
Good night.
Good morning, brothers. It's like 6:45 right now. I actually got a lot more sleep than I was expecting, so that's nice. Looks like it's a little windy outside, but it's not cold. Didn't get cold throughout the whole night. I stayed warm. Well, I hear a train coming, so before you guys can't hear what I say, we're gonna pack up our stuff and then cook some breakfast and get out of here. So let's have some breakfast. All right, guys, well, we messed up. We forgot that we brought turkey bacon, so we're actually gonna pull this off, cook the turkey bacon, put this back on, then scramble the eggs in it. So, yeah.
Here you go, Joey.
That's a clean cup of coffee right there. That'll do. Oh, perfect. All right, brothers, well, the breakfast burritos turned out good. Let's try them. Perfect.
The tortilla has a perfect crisp on it.
Oh, that was a perfect breakfast. Coffee and a breakfast burrito. It's about time to get out of here. It's like 7:30 right now. Most of the people in the park are packing up as well.
We still gotta take down the tent out of the truck and stuff, so that'll be a little bit.
But overall, it was a great time. Caught a lot of fish, made some good food, stayed in the truck. I'd call that a good time. But we're gonna start packing stuff up, get out of here. So. All right, brothers. Well, we're all packed up and ready to get out of here.
Head home.
Did the last couple walk arounds, made sure we didn't leave anything. But yeah, good trip. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe. We actually post videos just like this every single weekend. So be sure to check back next weekend and see what we're doing. We'll see you guys in the next one.
See you, brothers.